We are pleased to represent for sale this 1947 Lincoln Continental Cabriolet Convertible. The body off the frame restoration is of high quality and is absolutely beautiful. This Continental drives as well as it looks and would be welcome at most regional car shows as well as tours. The Lincoln comes complete with a 3-inch thick binder of photos and documentation related to its history and the restoration. The work quality speaks for itself and is absolutely beautiful. Using CCCA or concours judging guidelines, this would average about 94 to 96 points and would easily perform better with minor detail. The exterior body and paint are very nice in every respect. There are a few areas where there's a little paint that has been touched up, but the Lincoln Maroon livery is beautiful and is polished for show. The chrome on this Lincoln is gorgeous. The 1947 Lincoln Continental is definitely one of the best designs of the early post-war period. The lines of the car are perfect from the front to the back. The convertible top is finished in a tan Haartz cloth. The canvas has some small imperfections from where the top folds and when it goes up and down, which is normal from use. The power top works well and overall is very well done. The top boot also fits well. The interior is replete with saddle tan leather that is soft and supple as if it were installed yesterday. There is no evidence of wear or use anywhere on the interior. All the instruments are as new and work well. We love the Art Deco inspired dashboard. The Lincoln Powertrain is the 12-cylinder engine with power delivered by a 3-speed manual transmission with overdrive, and it looks good and sounds great too. This example drives as new in every respect. It is without rattles and vibrations, accelerates well, brakes well, and performs as it should. The engine compartment is very well detailed and is pretty much show ready. The chassis is also beautifully detailed and is also ready for show.